This question is asked in GATE 2008. Watch it. When n equal to 2 power 2k for some k greater than or equal to 0, the recurrence relation t of n equal to root 2 into t of n by 2 plus root n t of 1 equal to 1 evaluates to. So which means they are asking us to solve this recurrence relation. Actually what they have started the question with some other intention, and in the middle they deviated. So what they wanted is see, they have given this recurrence relation and they wanted a solution for this, and after finding out the solution, then in place of n they wanted to substitute n equal to 2 power 2k. If you observe this question, when n equal to 2 power 2k for some k greater than or equal to n, the recurrence relation evaluates to. That is what they wanted to ask, which means the option should be in terms of k, but then they didn't complete the answer, they just evaluated it and they have given the answer there. So the solution of this one is given here, but what they actually wanted to ask is, in this solution if they substitute n equal to 2 power k, what will be the result? That is what they wanted to ask. How did I find it out? Because in case if they had substituted in place of n 2 power k, then all the options should be in terms of k, but all the options are in terms of n, which means they just wanted us to evaluate it and get the answer, just this whole solution, right? Now let's see this one. T of n equal to root 2 into t of n by 2 plus root n, that is what is given, and also they gave that t of 1 equal to 1. So how can I find it out? The same method, this selection by elimination. Find out all the values. T of 1 equal to 1, and what about t of 2? T of 2 equal to, you can see this, root 2 into t of 2 by 2 is 1 plus, in place of n if you put 2, it is root 2. Then it is going to be 2 root 2, right? So t of 1 equal to 1 and t of 2 equal to 2 root 2. Okay, so these two options, these two values have to be satisfied by all these options, any of the option, then we can say that is answer. Now let's try to put n equal to 1. If you put n equal to 1, what do you get here? It is going to be root 1 and log 1, this log means it is base 2, log 1 is nothing but 0 and here it is 1, so totally it evaluates to 1. Therefore t of 1 equal to 1 is satisfied by option A. But then let's see if there are any other options which satisfy it. Let's see the next one. If you put log 1 here, the entire factor is going to be 0, isn't it? Therefore it is not satisfying. And if you put 1 here, this entire thing is going to be 0, not satisfying. If you put 1 here, 0, not satisfying. So this is the only option which has satisfied t of 1 equal to 1. But just to be on the safer side, let's even test with t of 2, if it is satisfying this or not. Now t of 2 has to be 2 root 2. Let's put 2 here. What do we get? Root 2 into log 2 plus 1. So this is base 2. So log 2 base 2 is 1. Therefore root 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2 root 2. Alright. So this is how you can solve these questions. No need of actually using any other method. You can just check the options and eliminate them. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. after taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.